Welcome to a look at why Idaho is a beacon of freedom for gun owners, a state that truly embodies the spirit of the Second Amendment. We'll examine 4 key areas that showcase Idaho's unwavering commitment to your rights: the duty to inform, concealed carry, suppressors, and magazine capacity. First, let's talk about what you don't have to do in Idaho. Unlike in many other states, you are not required to proactively inform law enforcement that you are carrying a firearm. This respects the rights of law-abiding citizens, placing the focus on actions, not on the mere presence of a firearm. Of course, if an officer asks, you should always answer truthfully. Honesty and respect are key to any safe and professional interaction. During any stop, it's just common sense to keep your hands visible and avoid sudden movements. This isn't about guns. It's about ensuring a safe and respectful interaction for everyone. If you need to reach for your license or registration, simply inform the officer of what you're doing. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings. This common-sense approach protects your rights while fostering a climate of mutual respect between citizens and law enforcement. Now, let's move on to one of the cornerstones of Idaho's freedom: constitutional carry. That's right. In Idaho, if you are a law-abiding citizen aged 18 or older, you do not need a government permission slip to carry a concealed firearm. This is the ultimate expression of the right to bear arms. For those who travel, Idaho also offers an enhanced concealed carry license. While not required for carry within Idaho, this license, available to residents 21 and over who complete a training course, is recognized by many other states. This gives you the freedom to protect yourself and your family, not just at home, but across the country. It's important to remember that federal laws still apply. You cannot carry in federal buildings, post offices, or the secure areas of airports. And, as always, respect private property rights. Some businesses may have their own rules about firearms. Next up, suppressors. Hollywood has created a lot of myths, but in reality, suppressors are simply a safety tool. They are regulated under the National Firearms Act, but Idaho doesn't add any extra state-level burdens. This means you go through the federal process, pay the tax stamp, and once approved, you're good to go. In Idaho, you can use suppressors for hunting and target shooting, just as you should be able to. They protect your hearing and the hearing of those around you, making shooting a safer and more enjoyable activity. By treating suppressors as the safety devices they are, Idaho once again shows its commitment to practical, pro-gun policies. Finally, let's talk about magazine capacity, or, in Idaho's case, the lack of any restrictions. That's because Idaho recognizes that arbitrary limits on magazine capacity are unconstitutional and do nothing to stop criminals. While other states infringe on the rights of their citizens with these restrictions, Idaho stands firm. You are free to own standard capacity magazines that come with your firearms without government interference. So there you have it. From constitutional carry to no magazine capacity limits, Idaho's laws are a model for the nation. It's a state that trusts its citizens and fiercely defends their Second Amendment rights. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and never stop defending your liberty.